Hey folks, Will Owen here with JetBoatPilot.com. Today's video, we're going to do something special for you. We're going to list the top 5 things that we've learned to really come to love about the new SeaDoo Switch. And if you stick with us, the number 5 thing is actually kind of surprising to me, being a guy that's all about steering. I'm going to talk about something that's really special. Supreme confidence as I maneuver around the dock. So why not marry together a pontoon and a jet boat? And that's what they've done here. All of the seats are configurable. The first thing we've noticed in this top 5 that we are really excited about, is no secret, everyone's talked about it, it actually is where the name comes from, is the word switch. All of the seats are configurable. See that little thing on the bottom there? Little yellow tab there? All of these seats can be moved into various locations around the boat and then locked in place, giving the boat lots of configurability, switchability. It's really, really cool. You can configure the chairs however you like to, add more chairs, take chairs out, put the table in different places. There's lots of configurability for you and your family. So we really think that is a wonderful feature, very innovative, and our top 5 feature. For our number 4 feature that we really have found to be a part of this top 5 discussion, let's talk about quiet. This boat is quiet. It's actually very quiet. We're idling along here and you can barely hear the engine running. It's got lots of sound insulation inside the various storage compartments. Hopefully this sound test is something that you can hear on your speakers. But we're going to do a quick sound test to show you what we're hearing. The engine is barely noticeable, kind of a low hum. Going to motor up now to probably about no wake speed, 4 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour, 4 miles an hour. Engine, practically no change in the engine noise. Motor up now to more of a traditional cruise speed. Still hear me. Fairly quiet. It's not like I'm having to shout and try to talk to you. I feel like I can have a conversation with the person sitting next door to me here. Number 3, let's talk about value. One of the things I think that SeaDoo was really looking for with this new boat was to give access to those that maybe have never been boating before in a cost-effective way. This boat is a value boat. It's built that way. It doesn't cost nearly as much as other boats like it in its same size, but it gives you a lot for your money. It comes with everything that you really need to get started, the boat, the trailer, and the bimini, and all the other things. Get you in probably under 40 and starts around 20, so 20 to 40K on a range of 13 to 20 feet. So yeah, that's definitely one of the biggest things people talk about is value, especially today. Number 2 on our list, we want to talk about how they've blended a PWC with a pontoon. You know, SeaDoo did this as really kind of a first, something that's really been needing to be done for a long time. Pontoons is the fastest growing segment within the boating industry. Second fastest growing is jet boat. So why not marry together a pontoon and a jet boat? And that's what they've done here. What you really get out of a pontoon is you get all the stability. You get lots of stability in rough water. The boat doesn't pitch and roll as much. You also get a lot of seats and a lot of room to put a lot of people for a lot less money. With a jet, you get the control. You get the high-speed fun, you get the low-speed maneuverability, you get the impeller inside of a closed jet pump, so there's no exposed propeller, and so many other features about a jet that make them simple to own and operate. So for those reasons, that's our number 2 on our list. All right, now the number 1 reason why you ought to consider buying one of these SeaDoo Switch boats. Maneuverability around the dock, and maneuverability period. One of the things I really love about this new SeaDoo Switch is the controls are on the handlebars, both the forward and the reverse are right here at your fingertips. You don't have to reach down and grab a throttle lever. You don't have to wait for the engagement or the disengagement of reverse like you do on a traditional stern drive boat. It's instantaneous. I can go from forward to reverse just by grabbing a lever. That gives me supreme confidence as I maneuver around the dock. I can give it control input left, control input right. The boat responds immediately. I think one of the things that people are a little concerned about when they're new boaters is how are they going to be able to control the boat around the dock. And this boat gives you instantaneous, complete and total command of the boat. The maneuverability, the control of having the throttles on the handlebars, the forward, the reverse, being able to approach something like this buoy here, we're going to approach this buoy. I can be in complete command, hit the reverse lever, squeeze the throttle. I can literally pull right up to it, pull away, practically do circles around the thing. Decide I don't want to do that anymore. Take off, maneuver away. We literally have all of the control that you'd have on a wave runner or a jet ski, a SeaDoo, around the dock, around fixed objects, but at the same time, you get the fast stuff. Check this out. We're cruising along now, doing 18, 20 something miles an hour. We're gonna have some fun. Watch this. Hold up your hat, hold up your hat. We're gonna go to top speed here, watch this. It's gonna get to about 30 miles an hour, we're gonna pull it hard left. Ready? Here we go. We literally just did a 180 flip on a pontoon boat. I'm telling you, I get goosebumps right now. You know, you want to go buy a boat that you can have fun with your family, tow the tube, bring the food, have the lunch, the drinks, the music, and all that fun stuff. But hey, you want to go have fun and blast around and do 180s? Do all that on this one boat. It's crazy. It's a boat, it's a pontoon, it's a jet ski. I'm blown away. I'm telling you that for this reason alone, this is literally the #1 reason why you ought to consider one of these boats. This is our top 5. We're glad you watched this video today. For more information about the SeaDoo Switch, visit jetboatpilot.com. Obviously, there's tons of information out there on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. We'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. This is our boat. We've had it for about 7 hours now. We know a lot about it. Be glad to answer any of your questions for you. We thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.